I gotta bring my boy into the vet today because he's got a couple tumors on his leg again. So, could use some prayers, good thoughts, and wishes for my kid. I don't even know how I'm gonna come up with all this money to get him fixed up because it's not cheap to have surgery done. Let's see if I can zoom in. That's one of the nuts. But anyway, I gotta get the kid in. Whoops, crazy cam here. I gotta get the kid to the vet later today. I'm bringing him in at like 3:30 or no, 3 o'clock. And yeah, it's always something. It's always something, I tell you. Any words? Yeah, if you can, say a little prayer for my buddy. Definitely needs it. I'm gonna put a little PayPal me link in if anybody wants to donate to the cause of helping my dog. I'd much appreciate it. I hate even having to ask anybody for anything, but yeah. Anyway, if you want to help, feel free. If you don't and you want to just say a prayer, that's fine too. I will take any and all help I can get for my dog. Anyway, thanks much. Thanks for being subscribed to me. Thanks for everything. Peace. Yeah, my dog. Yeah, my puppy dog.